CRCL stock analysis and CRCL stock prediction is to buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Circle Internet Group, absolutely adore and just love this increase, because look at my idea, you know, look how it looked like. Because beforehand I got like a win, a break even, and here's that winning trade that I called out here when it was 104 just a day ago. And since then it's been just, you know, doing its thing. And all I have to say is that these are the targets next at 138. Even with the limited amount of data, you can see, I know market is fractal, but it's not like I haven't seen this happen tens of thousands of times. I mean, still keep in mind, I've done 42,000 videos. So I have seen personally what's making me money and what's not. So yes, I'll continue to keep you updated. If you do want to learn personally, I want to stay tuned. And actually want to learn how to make you 5-10K per month trading, then sure, click the first link in the description, get my free emails and insights to stay tuned. I'm curious if, yeah, I do have previous receipts even in the Discord here. 5 results. See ya.